These are the visuals of last year's migrant exodus and crisis that happened after nationwide lockdown due to the first wave of COVID-19. People had to walk thousands of kilometers, millions of them lost jobs, many died of the hardships and hunger, and you must be remembering this particular photo, viral photo of this stranded, hungry and helpless father crying when he received a call that his 1-year-old baby had died. All of these happened last year during the migrant crisis. And now again such reports have started coming out amid rising cases during the second wave in the country. Surge triggers migrant exodus 2.0 in Gurugram. 20% of 1.5 lakh workforce leaves city. Let's look at this one. Odisha migrant workers returned from Gujarat, Maharashtra amid fears of another lockdown. The question is, has the government learned its lessons from last year's migrant crisis? Is it prepared for any such migrant crisis this time? Now again, due to sharply rising COVID-19 cases in the country and due to fear of lockdown in the country, migrant workers are returning to their own states. The fear of lockdown has already started a migrant exodus in different states across the country. But the government does not seem to have learned any lessons. Well, at least experts think that the government has not been able to learn from last year's experience of lockdown and the migrant crisis that left millions of workers struggling. A recent study by ICRIER in collaboration with the IISSRF has said that the migrant workers who struggled and suffered from the lockdown and pandemic last year have not fully recovered from their experiences so far. The study was done to understand the impact of pandemic on the migrant workers. It focused on 2017 migrants in 6 states like Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. It said governments do not seem to have learned from the experiences of last year's lockdown in which the worst hit were the migrant workers, unquote. Sudden imposition of the lockdown had very bad effects and impacts on migrants last year. More than a third of reverse migrants, मतलब वो जो गांव से फिर से वापस शहर की तरफ गए काम के खोज में, said they could not find any work. And इतना ही नहीं, migrant workers के household यानी घर की income came down by 85% during the first wave of COVID-19 last year. After first lockdown, 63.5% of migrants from these 6 states went back to different states for work by February 2021. Now, migrant workers' household income had just started to improve after remigration, and the second wave has already begun that has filled them with fear and uncertainties again. And let me remind you that whatever they started earning was still less than their pre-lockdown level by 7.7%. And this study is saying, moreover, another lockdown, even the fear of one, can upset the momentum of this recovery, unquote. Now, if the migrants return to their native places, then their household income may come down by over 80%. Okay, so the government did nothing? Well, the government had done some things for the migrant workers. Some welfare measures and schemes announced by different governments at central and state level did reach the migrants. For example, 74% of migrants had access to some form of subsidized cereal like rice and wheat, but on the other hand, only 7.7% migrants participated in M-Narega and other public work in their native places. Again, other skill training under Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana GKRY were not accessible to them. Only 1.4% got this benefit. और इतना सब होने के बाद भी सरकार को ऐसा लगता है जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. Well, that's what experts and media reports suggest. On September 14th last year in 2020, the Union Labour Ministry said that there is no data on migrant deaths, so there is no question of compensation. Despite all problems that migrants had to face, despite the nationwide lockdown that forced migrants to walk thousands of kilometers on their way back to home, despite all these hardships and despite many deaths of migrant workers, our government is saying that they have no data on migrant exodus, deaths and their job losses. In fact, the government said fake news led to migrant exodus amid lockdown last year, unquote. Abhi aur hai. Even after a year after exodus, there is no reliable data or policy on migrant workers. तो क्या कोई fresh policy नहीं बनाया गया है अभी तक? Well, so far just Niti Aayog policy draft has proposed and prepared a national migrant labor policy draft. It has some recommendations and some policy designs. The questions still stare us and the government in the eyes. Has the government learned its lessons from last year's migrant crisis? How prepared is it for any such situation? Do let us know what you know and think. Let's have a conversation on this because your views matter.